The number 2.
I will become the Wizard King.
You need nothing less than the greatest swordsman in the world!
I'm the final boss! Got it? All for one!
Is that supposed to be insulting?
The only one who can protect the village is me.
Why these little niggas don't like me? Why these little niggas don't like me? I put the pain in the heart.
I'm better than you. Oh, you know something, big brother? I'd have to disagree with you on that one.
Swap that shit out and I came back reloaded. I'm just so happy that niggas who envy them finally showed I'm over the moon. Yeah, we'll see you boys soon. I'm spreading my wings. I have my cocoon. I'm studio trapping. I'm locked in the room. What?
You move, you die. You use Nen and you die. Make a sound and you die. If you understand, close your eyes.